Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how can you calculate exponential moving average, Excel and Python. Exponential moving average is a type of moving average that places a greater weightage and significance on the most recent data points. Exponential moving average is also known as weightage moving average. It is a technical indicator that is used to produce Y and cell signal based on crossover and divergence from the historical average. Traders can use EMA length based on their requirement, like 10-day EMA, 20-day EMA, 50-day EMA, and etc. Formula for exponential moving average is K into current price minus previous EMA plus previous EMA, where K is a weighting factor which is denoted as k equal to 2 yn plus 1, where n is selected time period. One need to keep in mind for the first time calculation, initial EMA is taken as simple moving average. So let us start calculating EMA using Excel. So this Excel contains historical data of a ticker. So here we are going to calculate EMA for close price. So here we are going to calculate 20-day EMA. So let us calculate smoothing factor, which is K. K equal to 2 divided by n plus 1, where n is number of days. Also we can calculate initial EMA, simple moving average of first 20. So let us calculate 20-day EMA according to our formula. So let us calculate 20-day EMA using. So according to the formula, we are multiplying K, which is 0.095 into current price. So current closing price minus previous EMA, and here we are taking SMA of the whole period. SMA is initial SMA is 156 point, previous EMA, or again we will apply the formula. We are multiplying the value of K, that is 0.095 into previous EMA price. Copy all same formula to all the rows, all the cells. Now we can copy same formula to all the cells. So in this way we can calculate 20-day EMA for close price of any ticker. Now let us calculate EMA using. So we need to import some libraries, datetime library, Yahoo Finance library, pandas and numpy. Let us import the data from where we need to calculate. Here we have selected Amazon for EMI calculation. Now you can see that we have downloaded all the OHLCV data for Amazon. Now we are making a function to calculate EMI. In the function we will provide series or data frame. We are providing n value equal to 9. We can change this value. So let us calculate EMI using Python. First we calculate multiplier. So multiplier is 2 divided by n plus. Then we calculate simple moving average. Simple moving average is rolling mean. Let us calculate the value of n equal to 9. Then value of multiplier. Then we are calculating the SMA. Since we are not able to calculate EMA directly and we are using SMA as initial value. So first we are assigning 9 value to all the, and here we can see that all values have been changed to 9 value. Now we assign an SMA value to our initial value and drop all the 9 values and then apply the formula. And then we can apply the formula. And in this way we can calculate EMI using Excel. Now we can run the formula. So in this way, by using this formula we can calculate EMI using Python. For more updates, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.